Hi guys, just thought I'd post up a short video just chatting about some ladies jeans that I'm doing today. Doing a pocket repair on. This is a very common repair that I see on ladies jeans because they're made out of like very thin denim that's got elastane in and it's prone to breaking. So what happens is it starts like this in the corner edges. See it there, it's just starting to break away, and then it breaks away, and then it goes all the way down there, and then it goes all the way down, and obviously until it goes down to the crotch point. But she's sending these in, so these are repairable. I'm going to put in some new fabric on the inside, and then we're going to colour match it, and then we're going to over sew and darn all over the rip and colour match it, and then that'll come out really discreet. If you want to see before and after picture, that will be on my Instagram feed, which you can find. It's the Denim Doctor 69. You'll find it on Instagram under the hashtag the Denim Doctor. So if you've got any jeans like this, ladies, you can send them in to get them repaired. It's not a problem. I see 7 for All Mankind, J Brand, Page, Hudson, all those type of makes that have elastane in can be repaired. It's totally fine. I work on them every single day. So if you've got any questions about any work like this, drop me a line. It's Michael at thedenimdoctor.co.uk on the email. Alternatively, you can DM me on Instagram, or leave a comment below if you've got any comments. So there you have it. Yeah, so they can be repaired if you get this pocket problem on the back of your jeans. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, people. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all the comments and the likes and stuff. And main website is www.thedenimdoctor.co.uk, and I'm in Manchester, England. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.